meghalayapost.news.
Hadin bagi pulit ke Ïingkashari district ila pendap isai ke jintokit ke baar Sngi kat kum ke polis kastedi ya ka Sonam Raj ba uraj kuswaha halor ke jingkenok dong keti ban peniap yo raja Raghuvanshi unong jong kai na indoor bat ukurim ke Sonam mentang Sngi pulit kila rapat banten bishal Ïingkashari ke district and session court anong ba Shillong ya ka Sonam ba di uraj lawan yalam nasada police station sya district session court akapor san khat san janmiet bat ka jingtian bishal ke Ïingkashari larai ban Pynngat ikini ki arngut sa sya khatlai Sngi ban tokit kat kum ke judicial custody hadin bagi pulit Kimsyam lapan porbiang bantokit iki. Nakaliang u assistant public prosecutor u advocate Tushar Chandau lapun tip baka jingtian bishar mentaka Sngi nakaliang ga Ïingkashari kelarai ban patokit kumba kalai Sngi namtaka judicial custody. Kumban penkemau dang shen haka khat arterik ujeliu ke ing bishar kala ailat pras Sngi namenta ban pelong ye jingtokit kat kum ke police custody namenta kisan ngut kirunar bat haka kenai terik ujeliu arjar absan na penjelan saar Sngi ke police custody namenta ka Sonam bat uraj. Kadba kilaingut kirunar bakatup yau Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan baru Anand Kurmi lailam tokit no namenta ka judicial custody bakat South Sngi.
Both the accused were produced today before the court. The custody is over today, so both the accused were sent for 13 days judicial custody.
13 days, sir.
13 days judicial custody. Okay.
पुलिस ने रिमांड नहीं मांगा था?
No. Police didn't ask for any remand. Just prayed for judicial custody. So after hearing, court has granted 13 days judicial custody for both the accused.
सर जेसी तो 14 डेज होते हैं, कोई संडे वगैरह पड़ रहा है क्या?
From state I represented. Then from defense, no legal aid was present. Only that.
meghalayapost.news.